Machinery working together is a remarkable sight. Watching the traditional method of splitting Western red cedar evoked a profound sense of nostalgia. The rhythmic sound of the axe reminded many of simpler times, when craftsmen passed down skills from generation to generation.
There it goes, right on.
A driver and a harvester working hard in the snow to gather wood. It's like a winter adventure, right? The snow may be falling, but their spirits are high. The NEBOR HT-Z1400 is considered the most powerful bandsaw with the capability to handle the heaviest and hardest logs. Watching it work is truly impressive. It moves swiftly and efficiently through the material, showcasing its strength and precision. Can you imagine the level of teamwork going on here? The excavator is like the lumberjack's best friend, making the process of logging much smoother. This collaboration not only speeds up the logging process, but also enhances safety for the workers involved. Allow me to highlight the performance of the Hitachi ZW550-6 on its inaugural day. With its state-of-the-art wood grabber and an impressive power output of 382 kilowatts, this machine showcases remarkable efficiency. Look, is that the Kenworth T659 I see over there? It's skillfully hauling those massive logs out of the winding Rangitake hills. It looks so adept. Wow, this log splitter is incredible. It can lift such a massive piece of oak. But what really blows my mind is how quickly it splits the wood. I barely had time to blink. The Scania timber truck is navigating the treacherous hill with impressive skill, enveloped in a swirling dust cloud. It's a perfect demonstration of engineering prowess. Operating the Kubota D1105 to split wood is not just about power. It's a combination of precision and strength. It is a testament to the excellence of machine engineering, efficiently converting hydraulic power into real-world results. The Ponce we sent isn't just moving, it's navigating its way through the thick mud laden with hefty logs. With 15 tons of raw power and grip like no other, this machine tackles the tough terrain with the elegance of a giant elephant in motion. The JCB hydraulic equipped with the Fecon FMX 36 mulcher is working. It's like devouring everything. The power of this machine is unbelievable. It takes down trees with just a single grind, making the whole process look effortless. The John Deere 1270E harvester is currently positioned on the hillside for optimal wood harvesting. Its design emphasizes flexibility and straightforward maintenance, ensuring peak performance in all forestry conditions. The sight of timber being moved with pulleys in the radiant sunshine of the Pacific Northwest is truly something to marvel at.
Yeah, that machine tethers a steep ground. One machine hooks the other and lets the other one down over the hill.
How impressive is it that they can maneuver such large logs with such elegance?
I did this for a lot of years. Okay. 30%.
This is a striking image. Huge logs are being lowered into the river from a large barge, showcasing a unique transportation method. The logistics involved in such operations are very complex and require meticulous planning.
There we go.
As an expert in woodworking, I can tell you that CNC routers have revolutionized door manufacturing. The precision and speed they offer are unmatched. What are your thoughts on integrating this technology into traditional woodworking practices? The Timberjack 450C skidder is a powerful machine, efficiently pulling large logs from a ravine. Its strong engine produces a loud noise that indicates its impressive capabilities. The future of reforestation has arrived. Meet the PlantMax X2, an innovative forestry planting machine revolutionizing the fields of Brazil. This cutting-edge technology is not just a machine, it's a commitment to a greener planet. The FML debarking machine takes on round timber ranging from 8 to 40 centimeters in diameter and a minimum length of 4 meters. With 8 spiral cutters mounted on a gimbal at both ends, it efficiently shreds the rotating wood fibers with remarkable precision.